Sugar nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Ketenaga Social Welfare ke Sorkar Jela ubah Paul Lyngba ulong Ketenaga Child Helpline Administration kala play gilat ajing syakrin ke Bynta ki Khynnah ki badan kam ni gilat jing Ïarap ni jing shitom hakino gino ki Bynta lakalong ke jing sumar ki jakasa ki jing Ïarap hakaliang kaan ki jing kershan badru ki jing alam lenti haba ki kendo ki jing bad baro shikata la don tang iwe breu ibade Child Helpline Administrator ban pet ki kam Henry Bynta pat nakaliang ke Sorkar kala rai ban Mang sakhat sound tuli ki kam na ke Bynta kini ke jing ajing syakri hapo ke helpline ka bakintop ye iwe EIT supervisor shipongut ki ban shim ye ki phone iwe iban trei ki kam bapher ban argut ki nongyada ni ki security Padu Child Helpline number uday iway not kandai pra. Hagri kasngi na kalyong menteri ula pentip ru banalor balapan bana yo helpline number jong ki Khynnah lapan benaru yo helpline number jong ki kintay ubaday iway pra iway balakin turu ban let mi isya katanat directorate namar katanat social welfare kala bo yiki tiar kabanyarap ban lumtop yiki phone calls yiki jingtip bat kala donru ke website ke bala pentri kam kenang ban la ban penurlong bat penyat syakmat yiki kam kat kum ke jingla ban trei hagabai day bat kini ki kam gi baka Sorkar Lyngba katanat social welfare kala pelat pait ba hakashi pau terik unailar nakaliang ba Apol ong ba yegi ki kam gi bala mang kerpang anyale ban pendep no ban tap hapo uni ubnai nailar
na bedon kam ke jing Ïarap apa sekidon kanu ke jingsham shitom nadu ke balong smart medical shelter legal aid emotional support guidance di nak bentak kini ki korok semua sukir jakasa ke jing Ïarap kalian kaan ke jing kershan yaki buat ke jing ilam lenti ki apa kidon ke jing smoke ngilap play ni ke service pat baru si kata bidon tang we child helpline administrator ndai mentak sngi masukan ke aji kiban yang ban itu ipi ba ngila sanction sa kat southly post nak bentak ni ke service ni ke helpline kapan ketuk iwe IT supervisor Spongan ki panshim ya ki call iwe multi-purpose staff but armed ki security guard take a child helpline number ke day iwe not kandai fa the helpline number is 109 ma kapya muta line which is 181 women helpline and I would request you to visit the directorate office because we have installed latest gadgets and machines which will help to track calls and also track the response system and also there is a dedicated website which has been activated in order to enable this service to be at its peak.
Bapol, as you mentioned that 14
already out.
And by when are you going to fill up this post?
This is on the 10th of this month of August. The advertisement has already been released with copies to the IPR, the Director of Printing and Stationery, and the NIC.
And by when this vacancies will be, new post will be filled up?
Within a month's time. Come out and help those distressed persons in a bigger way.